Yum, that was delicious. You know what made it taste so good? Not the chef, not the seasoning. It was this, my saliva. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. My spit? Gross. But what if I told you that your saliva is secretly one of the most powerful things in your entire body? In today's episode, let's explore why saliva is a secret superhero. Every single time you eat, bacteria in your mouth throw a party. They feast on the leftover food and produce acid. And that acid, it attacks your teeth and it starts dissolving your enamel. That sounds pretty bad, right? Yeah, it is pretty bad, but your saliva swoops in like a shield. It has special minerals in it, like calcium and phosphate, which actually helps repair your teeth. This is called remineralization. Your spit is literally healing your teeth every single day, without you even knowing. Superpower number 1, the acid neutralizer. Spit is an acid neutralizer and tooth healer. That's pretty incredible. Your mouth has over 700 different types of bacteria living in it. That's more species than a rainforest has animals. Saliva keeps them all in check. It contains special proteins called enzymes. One of them is called the lysozyme, and its entire job is to break down the harmful bacteria and pop them like balloons. And there's another enzyme called lactoferrin, which steals the iron from bacteria, and bacteria need iron to survive. No iron, no growth. Game over. So while you're sitting in class or playing video games, your saliva is constantly battling against bacteria. And of course, it's winning. Superpower number 2, it's the bacteria destroyer. Superpower number 3, the Digestion Starter. This one's gonna blow your mind. Digestion doesn't start in your stomach, it actually starts in your mouth. And saliva is the reason why. The second food touches your tongue, your saliva releases an enzyme called amylase. And amylase can immediately start digesting starches, things like bread, crackers, and pasta into sugars that your body can use for energy. Want proof? Try chewing a plain cracker for 30 seconds without swallowing. It'll start tasting pretty sweet. That's the amylase breaking it down in real time. Your mouth is doing chemistry. Plus, saliva coats all the food in moisture, so it slides smoothly down your throat. Without spit, you can literally not swallow solid food. Try eating a peanut butter sandwich with a dry mouth. That's definitely not happening. Superpower number 4, the wound healer. Have you ever noticed when you bite the inside of your cheek or get a cut in your mouth, it heals way faster than a cut on your skin? That's not a coincidence, that's your saliva. Saliva contains a protein whose job is to speed up wound healing. Your mouth can heal twice as fast as wounds on the rest of your body. And that's why animals lick their wounds. Their saliva has similar healing properties. Your spit is basically a built-in first aid kit. Superpower number 5, the Taste Activator. The last superpower is one that you use every day. Did you know you cannot taste without saliva? Your taste buds need the food to be dissolved into a liquid before they can detect flavors, and saliva does that job. If your tongue was completely dry and you put a piece of candy on it, you would taste nothing. Absolutely zero, and the candy would just sit there. Saliva dissolves the food into tiny particles and delivers them to your taste buds, so you can taste sweet, salty, sour, bitter, and umami. Your saliva is the ultimate superhero. It neutralizes acid, destroys bacteria, starts digestion, heals wounds, and lets you taste food. You produce 1 to 2 layers of saliva every day. That's enough to fill a large water bottle. So the next time someone tells you spit is gross, you can tell them that it's probably one of the coolest things your body makes. I'm Dr. Brushy. Subscribe to make brushing fun.